Welcome back to Travel with Antwan. During my recent business trip to Nacogdoches, Texas, I spent 2 nights at Spark by Hilton. This hotel has been completely renovated, and I was impressed by how modern and clean everything looked. In this review, I'll show you the lobby, room 307, the fitness center, swimming pool, breakfast area, and one of the main reasons I selected this hotel, the electric vehicle charging stations. Let's head inside and see whether Spark by Hilton is worth booking. As soon as I entered the hotel, I noticed how bright, modern, and clean the entrance looked. Near the front entrance, there's a convenient coffee station offering regular coffee and hot water. This is a nice feature when you want a quick cup of coffee or tea before heading out for the day. The lobby has plenty of chairs and comfortable seating areas where guests can relax, meet someone, or wait before checking in. Also, there is a printing station and place to charge your electronics. There's also a small market and vending area with snacks, drinks, and a few essential items you might need during your stay. A microwave is available in this area as well. The lobby is simple, but it is clean, functional, and welcoming. As I walked down the hallway toward my room, I continued to notice how clean the hotel was. The floors, walls, doors, and common areas all looked fresh after the renovation. For this 2 night stay, I was assigned room 307 on the third floor. Let's take a look inside. When you first enter room 307, the bathroom is immediately on the left. The main room includes a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and a sofa that gives you an additional place to sit and relax. The design is modern, simple, and practical. The room does not feel overly decorated, but it includes everything most travelers need for a comfortable short stay. On both sides of the bed, there are electrical outlets and charging connections for your phone and other electronic devices. Having connections on both sides is especially helpful when two people are sharing the room. There's also a small table beside the sofa that can be used for eating, working, or placing your personal items. Inside the closet, you will find an ironing board, hangers, and additional storage space for your clothes and luggage. The room also includes a separate work desk with a chair and lamp. The desk has an electrical panel with connections for charging a laptop, phone, camera batteries, or other electronics. This was useful for me because I needed space to work and organize my equipment during the trip. Across from the bed is a modern flat-screen television that appeared to be about 42 inches. The television includes cable programming and all your favorite apps to log in and view. Below the television, there is a counter with a microwave and a small refrigerator. Having both inside the room is convenient for storing drinks, leftovers, or anything else you may purchase during your stay. The king-size bed looked clean and comfortable, and the room provided enough space to move around without feeling crowded. Overall, room 307 was practical, modern, and very clean. It had everything I needed for a comfortable 2 night stay. Now let's take a closer look at the bathroom. The bathroom continues the same clean and modern design found throughout the rest of the hotel. There is a sink with counter space, hand soap, a large mirror, fresh towels, and good lighting. The walk-in shower includes wall-mounted bath products, including shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Wall-mounted dispensers are convenient and reduce the number of small plastic bottles used by the hotel. The shower area appeared clean and well-maintained, and the bathroom had everything needed for a short stay. It is not an oversized luxury bathroom, but it is functional, updated, and comfortable. For this price range, I was satisfied with both the bathroom and the overall condition of the room. An ice machine is available for guests, so you can easily get ice without leaving the hotel. The hotel also has a swimming pool located on the first level. This gives families and other guests another way to relax during their stay. The pool area is a nice additional amenity, especially during the warmer months in East Texas. Even if you do not plan to spend much time at the hotel, it is good to have these extra facilities available. I did not personally have breakfast during my stay, but I did see the breakfast area, and it was clean, organized, and well maintained. From what I observed, they offered several options, including juice, cereal, yogurt, and hot items, such as eggs and sausage. It looked like a nice selection for a complimentary hotel breakfast. The fitness center is small but functional and has enough equipment to get in a good workout while traveling. It includes dumbbells, a strength training machine, one treadmill, two exercise bikes, and a stepper. It's not a large gym with an extensive selection of equipment, but it was clean and had everything I needed to get in a solid workout during my stay. One of the main reasons I selected this particular hotel was the availability of electric vehicle charging. There are 4 EV chargers available for guests. Since I was traveling in an electric vehicle, having charging stations directly at the hotel was extremely convenient. I could plug in the vehicle and allow it to charge while I relaxed or slept. Between the value, cleanliness, EV charging, breakfast options, and excellent customer service, I was very pleased with my experience. I would definitely stay here again and would recommend this Spark by Hilton to anyone looking for a clean, affordable, and welcoming place to stay. If you got any value out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to continue sharing more travel experiences, hotel reviews, and adventures with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.